Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Welcome to my Excel 1-minute video series. I've already done the year function and I've already done the month function, which pulls the year and month out of a date. I've got invoice date in column H. So today's video is the day function. All right, I'm going to insert a column. I'm going to put it right here in I. I want to get the date out of that, so equals day, tab, cell reference, control, enter, 128, go change it up here on the home tab to general, 28, 328, 28, crosshairs, autofill that down. There are the days pulled out of an invoice date. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all your support and have a wonderful day.